Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a GCKey account. A GCKey account is essential for accessing secure services from the Government of Canada. With it, you can submit applications for visitor visa, study permits, work permits, citizenship, visa extensions, express entry profiles, and more. So let's get started. I will guide you step by step to ensure you can create your GCKey account smoothly and easily. To apply for any application mentioned above, you need to create a GCKey account. If you already have an account, then use your credentials to log in and submit your application. If you do not have any account, then you can simply create a new GCKey account. Before we start, if you are coming to our YouTube channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel to get most up-to-date news tips, tricks about Canadian immigration. We try to make people self-dependent. Open your Google browser and search here GCKey login and click on the very first link. Scroll down and click on sign in or create an account. If you have an existing GCKey account, you can simply use your credentials and sign in. If you don't have a GCKey account, then click on register for an account. Scroll down and see how to register for an account. There are two ways you can register. The first one is directly with GCKey. The second one is using a sign-in partner, which means that you will need your banking information to create an account on GCKey. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the first option to register an account. So scroll down, click on register with GCKey. And then on the right side, click on sign up, accept the terms and conditions, create your username. So enter your username here and click on continue. Then enter your password and reconfirm that and click on continue. Create your recovery questions. We need to set up questions, answers, and hints in case we forget our password. This will help you to reset it. Scroll down. Select a recovery question from drop-down menu and provide an answer to recovery. Similarly, provide questions and answers for all sections provided here. Once you're done, click on continue. Add your recovery email so that you can reset your username and password and click on continue. You should receive a verification code on your email. Copy this code, paste it here and click on continue. Email recovery is complete, so click on continue and then click on continue again. Next, choose a method of two-factor authentication. The Government of Canada requires the use of two-factor authentication to secure your account. So here we need to activate two-step authentication to protect our information. There are three ways you can add two-step authentication. First is using mobile device. Second is using your desktop device. Third is using an email. For the purpose of this video, I will select first method. So I will click on set up your mobile device. Term and conditions, I accept. So to active two-step authentication, you need to use your smart mobile device. There are several apps which you can find on your App Store or Play Store. For example, Google Authenticator and Microsoft Authenticator. Here you can find steps to install Authentication app on your device. First step is download Authenticator app on your device from your App Store. If you already have Authenticator app installed on your device, then simply follow below steps to add a new account to your Authenticator app. You need to tap on a plus sign to add a new account. Then it will ask you to scan QR code. If you cannot scan a QR code, then you can manually enter secret key. Let's move and click on continue. So open your Authenticator app to scan this QR code. App will automatically add your account. Then app will give you a 6-digit code which you need to enter here. I want to mention, if you cannot scan this QR code using your mobile device, then you can enter secret key manually to your Authenticator app, then account will be added. Once you are done, click on continue button. Here you can find recovery codes. Make sure you write down these codes somewhere. Scroll down and tick on this box. Yes, I have securely recorded and stored these codes. And click on continue button. Now it says two-factor authentication setup complete. and click on Continue. We have successfully completed the first part of the GCKey account setup. Now we need to move on to the second part. Next, we need to create our GCKey account by providing information as per your passport. If your last name is blank on your passport and your full name is written under given name, then enter your given name under last name and leave the given name blank. I have seen many Indian passports which have blank last name and full name is provided under given name. So in this case, you need to enter your given name under last name and leave given name blank. Provide all this information and click on Continue. Create your security questions. Choose questions that are difficult for others to guess but easy for you to remember. You will need to answer one of your security questions each time you access your account. It's always good to have a screenshot of your security questions and answers in case you forget them. Once you're done, click on Continue. We are successfully logged into the GCKey account. Here you can see if you have submitted any application in the past. Scroll down and click on Start an application. If you want to submit new application, then scroll down and you can see here different options to start an application. I hope you guys find my videos useful. I always try to bring videos which could help you and help you learn and be independent. If you like our videos, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.